Well, it's something that children or their parents just don't want to talk about. Mental health has become a major crisis in this country, and the children are the youngest victims.
And doctors say suicide is the second leading cause of death in children, and 15% of high schoolers report having suicidal thoughts. Well, now, Nationwide Children's Hospital is trying to combat that trend with the new Big Lots Pavilion for Behavioral Health. This just 2 years after the hospital launched its national On Our Sleeves movement, aimed at breaking that stigma surrounding mental illness. Our own Hattie Hawks looks into the leaps that movement has made and how far they still have to go.
The On Our Sleeves movement began on World Mental Health Day in October of 2018. In its near 2 years, it has gained key supporters, including Ryan Day, his wife Nina, and the Harlem Globetrotters. And big names are speaking up about their own battles, including Buckeye basketball's DJ Carton, announcing he's stepping away from the game to care for his mental health. Carton now being praised for his courage to put himself before basketball. The goal of the On Our Sleeves movement is encouraging just that, to talk openly about mental health by providing free resources, raising money for research, and advocating for children.
The statistics are scary. 1 in 5 children is living with a mental illness, and 50% of mental illness shows up before you're 14 years old. So we have to do something, and the more we talk about it, the more people are going to feel comfortable in sharing their stories, and maybe we can obviously prevent bad things happening long term.
Carrie Schildmeyer is a champion of the On Our Sleeves movement, but more importantly, a mom of 3 girls.
They grew up in this generation with social media, and we have anxiety and depression in our own family, and I see it come about in my own children, and the best way we can take care of them is to make sure that they know we are here, we will support you, we will get them help if they need it, if they need medicine, if they need counseling. I mean, it's my greatest passion.
And it's proving to be others' passion. A youth football league raised $50,000 last fall. A local church designed these coffee sleeves with positive messages for the hospital. And even the Harlem Globetrotters created custom sleeves and talk about mental health at their shows. The biggest thing we can do at home is change the way we talk.
If you have a neighbor or a friend or a relative that comes and they tell you, I'm in the hospital, I broke my leg, you know exactly what to do. You take care of the family, you bring dinners. When someone comes and says, oh, my child has a mental health condition or is dealing with severe anxiety or depression, it sort of stops people in their tracks, and we want people to feel comfortable and to know that it's okay to feel like you're having a bad day.
For more information on the On Our Sleeves movement by Nationwide Children's Hospital, head to our website, NBC4i.com. Local for you, Hattie Hawks, NBC4.